Narito ang mga ganap ng newly minted 2024 Miss Universe Philippines na si Chelsea Ann Manalo from Bulacan.
Chelsea Manalo, Bulacan!
Ang Miss Universe Philippines 2024 ay ginanap sa Mall of Asia Arena sa Pasay noong May 2022, 2024. Si Chelsea ay 25 years old. Ang kanyang ina ay Filipina na tubong Bulacan at ang kanyang ama ay Black American. At narito ang evening gown competitions. Napakaganda naman ang gown ni Chelsea, all white.
Bulacan!
Maganda naman tingnan ang kulay ng balat na Chelsea sa kanyang puting gown at unique ang estilo at disenyo ng kanyang suot. Si Chelsea ang kauna-unahang Filipina Black American na naging Miss Universe of the Philippines. Narito ang kanyang question and answer portion.
Next is Bulacan.
Maraming netizens ang sumuporta ni Chelsea at nagustuhan ito, ang kanyang talino.
Thank you so much.
Super talino itong si Chelsea. Tumama ang kanyang sagot sa tanong.
You are beautiful and confident. How would you use these qualities to empower others?
As a woman of color,
Confident talaga si Chelsea sa kanyang sarili. Relax itong nagsasalita.
as a woman of color, I have always faced challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has standard, actually. But for me,
Magaling naman sumagot si Chelsea. Tumama sa tanong ang kanyang mga sagot.
has standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the vows that you have in yourself.
Grabe ang hiyawan ng netizens nang patapos na ang sagot ni Chelsea.
Have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing me right now as a transformational woman. I have here 52.
Narito na ang pinakahihintay sa lahat.
Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is
Sa parte na ito, kabado na si Chelsea kung sino sa kanilang dalawa ang mananalo ng Miss Universe. Umiikot-ikot muna ang dalawa at naghawakan ng kamay.
Bulacan! And our first runner-up is Kainta.
Congratulations, Miss Universe of the Philippines 2024!